Hello friends, welcome back to Kinder Kids TV where learning is always fun. So friends, today we are going to learn how to read some easy 3-letter CVC words. But wait, what are 3-letter CVC words? CVC stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. It means जिस वर्ड में हमें consonant, vowel, consonant ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर देखने को मिलेगा. So friends, are you ready to learn with me? Now let's get started. K, A, T, K, A, T, cat. B, A, G, B, A, G, bag. B, A, T, B, A, T, bat. F, A, N, F, A, N, fan. V, A, N, V, A, N, fan. J, A, N, J, A, M, jam. H, A, N, H, A, N, ham. G, A, B, G, A, B, gap. M, A, B, M, A, B, map. S, A, D, S, A, D, sad. R, A, D, R, A, D, rat. H, A, D, H, A, D, hat. D, A, B, D, A, B, dab. N, A, B, N, A, B, nap. G, A, R, G, A, R, car. J, A, R, J, A, R, jar. Now you try.
cat, cat. Bag, bag. Cap, cap. Map, map. Bat, bat. Hat. Pan. Van. Jam. Fan. Sad. Subscribe for more videos.